Hey guys, look what I found in the mail. Woohoo! It's too bright. But anyway, I finally have a mirror in my place. Alright, today we're breaking down Happy Together by the Turtles. If you have not seen my arrangement yet, you can check it out right here. Also after that you can use it to play along with. And yeah, grab your ukulele, make sure it's in tune, and let's go! And the first thing we have to mention here before we start is this little thing. Okay, this is called a shuffle rhythm, and basically what it means is that we're not counting in the song like this equally 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're not counting like this. We're counting like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and this is something that it's more like a feeling. You should not try to think about it too consciously because you overheat your processor and then you quit. But also I'll leave a video that is explaining this really good in the description, and maybe right here in this corner I'll link it right now. I think that this video explains it really well, so if you are interested in that, you can just go and check it out. But if you're very familiar with the song, it will just flow in your head and you'll not have to worry about it. But I just have to mention it. Alright, so let's see the intro. So we're grabbing the F sharp minor shape, alright? And with the right hand, we're first plucking just the C string really quickly, and then the E string. When we hit the E string is actually the first time of the bar, okay? So 1, okay? And after that, we hit the whole chord, but actually I'm accenting more on the A string because this is where the melody goes. I'm just doing an up strum with the ring finger, like this, okay? And after that, with the pinky on the E string, 4, 2, like this, okay? And after that again, C, E, and then we don't play the A string, and after that we open the E string, and then on the second fret of the E string, okay? So let's hear it slowly to this point. Again. Alright, and here we start the melody on the C string, then E string second fret, 4th fret, imagine. Alright, and we go to the verse. I'm playing the whole chord and the melody is on the A string, okay? And after that with the pinky on the 4th fret of the E string, and then A string open again. Me and you, okay? I do, again with the pinky here, and then the pinky goes on the 4th fret of the A string, on the 2nd fret, open, then E string 4th fret, then remove it, and the ring finger is holding on the 2nd fret. I think about you, okay? And then what I'm doing is I'm barring on the 4th fret, but actually I'm not really holding on the A string, okay? It's more like muted because we're not really playing it, and if we play it, it will sound bad. So I'm trying to not play the A string at all. Pretty much on all of the chords that we are holding with bar on this song, except for one specific place that I'll point out. Alright, so after I'm here, I'm playing the chord, and then with the ring finger on the C string 6th fret. Okay, and after that the melody goes on the E string again 4th fret. And after that on the C string 6th, 4th, 6th, and then I'm playing the C and E string. Okay, let's see what we have so far. And now what we do is here on the G string, and then E string 5th fret, 4th fret, then C string 6th fret, 4th fret, and we go on the next line where we have D, for which we are just sliding the bar 2 frets down. Okay, and then with the ring finger on the C string 4, and then E string 2, and after that C string 4, 2, 4, C and E string, and after that on the E string we do this 2, 2, 4, 2, and we bar on the 1st fret with the pinky on the 4th fret of the A string. Okay, let's see the first verse together. Alright, I'm doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And after that, I start the second verse. It is almost exactly the same. The only difference we have is on the first line here, we just have one more tone. So, the first one is, and the second one is. Alright? That's the whole difference, and after that we repeat the same thing. And here on the last bar, just before going to the chorus, we have these triplets. So what I'm doing here is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright? Quickly. And after that, we just slide this whole shape up here. Okay, barring on the 6th fret, pinky on the 9th fret. Okay, this is how we go to the chorus. And on the chorus, what we do is we play the whole chord, and after that, the pinky goes on the 9th fret E string, then remove it and keep the bar on the 6th, on the E string, and then the C string. Okay, and after that we go to C minor 7, so just barring the 4th fret, and here with the ring finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and then 7th fret and 6th fret again. Okay, let's see how this sounds so far. Okay, and then we get back to the F sharp. And after that we do E strings, G string, A string. This is the only place where we bar, and we're actually barring the A string as well. Okay, remember when I told you that there is one place? This is the place. Okay, and after we do that, we grab A like this. We're moving the bar on the 4th fret, middle finger on the 5th fret of the E string, ring finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and also the pinky goes right here on the 7th fret. Okay, and this is how we end it. And this is a repeat sign, which means that we're repeating this line one more time. Okay, let's see slowly how it goes. Also notice that the A is a little bit before the next bar, all right? Okay, and after that we have another verse, another chorus, a few times, and after that we have the outro verse, which starts exactly the same. Let's take a look. Okay, and here on the outro we have this little walk on the E string. 1, 2, 4, going to F minor. And again, so happy together. And we go to the real outro, for which we have this little thing. Playing the F sharp minor, avoiding the A string. And after that, on the E string we play 2nd fret, A string open, A string 2nd fret, and we go to C sharp. And then after C sharp, we have this little walk. 2 times the 4th fret, then 2nd fret, then open, and getting back to F sharp minor, okay? This is the first ending, repeat sign, and after that we end it with the second end, alright? And here we end it with F sharp major. Barring on the 1st fret, middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 3rd fret G string. And this is how we finish the song. So that was my step-by-step ukulele tutorial for Happy Together by the Turtles. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next lesson. And I'll see you there. Goodbye.